You can now create a perfect digital replica of a human voice using only 10 seconds of recorded audio. These tools are currently available for public use, requiring nothing more than a standard consumer laptop and a basic internet connection. For all of human history, communication and security have relied on a simple biological assumption. A voice is uniquely tied to a specific physical person. If you heard someone speak, they were really there. Forging a voice previously required weeks of manual audio splicing, which often resulted in choppy, robotic output. Modern artificial intelligence has automated that entire process, generating seamless speech in a matter of seconds. Because this automation is now instantaneous, the technical barrier to mimicking a human audio identity has effectively vanished. Voice synthesis does not rely on chopping up existing words. Instead, these systems use machine learning to analyze short audio clips and identify a speaker's underlying vocal properties. Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence where algorithms identify patterns in data to make predictions or generate new content. As the waveform is scanned, the system translates your unique frequencies, pitch, and cadence into mathematical data points. These points map across a neural network grid, processing the multi-layered data. During this generative phase, the AI uses that data to construct a completely new synthetic waveform, producing original speech that matches the source perfectly. ElevenLabs is currently a leading tool for this process, capable of generating hyper-realistic clones from minimal audio samples. Descript offers a feature called Overdub, which allows content creators to build a functional digital version of their own voice. This lets them insert synthetic text-to-speech blocks directly into their audio timelines to fix recording errors. For professional environments, Merv AI focuses on generating cloned voices specifically tailored for corporate presentations and commercial broadcast videos. Resemble AI specializes in real-time cloning. It takes a live audio input stream and instantly converts it into a parallel cloned output, a capability often used in gaming and customer support. These platforms represent a fully developed arsenal for digital identity replication, all of which are accessible to the general public. This new technology has immediate constructive applications, such as automating international movie dubbing and streamlining global content creation. However, the same architecture that automates dubbing also allows malicious actors to fabricate statements that were never spoken by the target. This directly threatens modern biometric security systems. Biometric systems are security methods that use unique physical characteristics, like your voice or face, to verify your identity. Banking portals and secure access points that rely on voice authentication can now be bypassed by an accurate algorithmic clone. The public is also vulnerable to targeted social engineering. Social engineering is the psychological manipulation of people into performing actions or divulging confidential information. Scammers can now use cloned voices of family members to conduct fake emergency phone calls, extracting stolen funds from their panicked relatives. Voice cloning is a dual-use technology, where the capacity for targeted harm scales directly with its commercial utility. We are entering an era where the most intrinsic human identifier, the voice, is easily forged, changing how we interact through digital channels. Society is transitioning toward a zero-trust model for digital communication. A zero-trust model is a security framework that assumes no interaction is safe until it is continuously verified. This will require secondary authentication for even routine audio interactions. As the data models for these AI systems iterate, they are refining out the subtle artifacts and tells used by detection software. This rapid pace of improvement means that synthetic audio may soon become indistinguishable from biological speech for even the most advanced defensive algorithms. This forces a reevaluation of our instinctual trust in the phone calls and digital media we consume daily. The next time you hear a voice through a speaker, you will have to actively look for proof beyond the sound itself. Ask yourself, is it really them?